1 puff pastry sheet. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it out just oh so slightly. I did let this thaw out for about an hour, so it's a little bit softer than it usually is. Okay. Just a nice, thin puff pastry. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a heart cookie cutter, and I'm gonna cut out some beautiful hearts out of my puff pastry. Just like this. We should be able to get 6 hearts out of this 1 sheet of puff pastry. And if you need more than 6 desserts, you can use both sheets of puff pastry that the package comes with, but it's just for me and my fiance today, so I'm only making the 6. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dessert, just a few ingredients, and everyone's gonna be so impressed.
Hey babe, what are you making? You never told me what you're making.
You'll see, it's a delicious, obviously, puff pastry dessert. It's gonna be our end of the summer dessert that everyone's gonna enjoy. And obviously I'm doing hearts, but you can do any cookie cutter you want. Go ahead and peel back that extra puff pastry. And you can roll that out a little bit more and make some more hearts if that's your style. But like I said, we only need 6 for this recipe. One last.
Almost.
One.
There we go.
Beautiful. Go ahead and grab a sheet pan, and I'm going to transfer my little heart puff pastries onto the sheet pan. Make sure to give each one their own space because they do puff up. That's why puff is in their name. Beautiful.
That's funny.
Okay. Now these are almost ready for the oven. We just have one more quick step. I'm gonna go ahead and grab an egg and a little brush, and we're gonna break that egg up because we're gonna do a quick egg wash. Now, if you don't have an egg, you can use melted butter, but I think that the egg wash does the best job for what we're making today. It's just gonna make that puff pastry brown and beautiful. Okay, and just do a nice light brush on each one. The more yolk you get in it, the more brown it looks. So, if you want a more, pastry colored dessert, you can just stick with the egg white. But I like mine to be golden brown, so I use the yolk with the egg white for my wash. There's no real difference to it though. It's all egg.
It makes it nice and crispy and luscious.
Yes, exactly. All right. Now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and they're gonna cook for only 20 minutes. All right, now while that's in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead to my freezer where I put my bowl and my whisks. If you follow me, you know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my whisk attachments onto my hand mixer because we are making some homemade whipped cream. All right, and the colder your bowl is, the colder your heavy whipping cream is, the better. Okay, go ahead. We're gonna make a lot, so let's use this whole bottle of heavy whipping cream. This is 16 ounces.
2 cups.
Yeah, and last time you guys got mad at me for not adding powdered sugar, so I'm gonna add some powdered sugar in here. I think I'm gonna add about a cup of powdered sugar. I just measure with my eyes, you guys, okay? That seems like about a cup. Beautiful. Now, last but not least, some pure vanilla extract, and we're just gonna do a teaspoon, and that is a full cap.
Wait, really? A full cap is a teaspoon?
Yep.
I had no clue.
Fun fact.
That's cool.
The more you know. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on and whisk away. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited to have this delicious whipped cream. Obviously, if you don't want to make homemade whipped cream, you can just buy Cool Whip. It will be a little bit cheaper and more instant. But for this delicious dessert, I wanted homemade whipped cream because, you can't deny that it tastes better than Cool Whip. All right, so let's just go ahead and turn this up so we can really get those peaks going.
Whoa, we're going into overdrive.
Yeah, I really want a quick whipped cream, you guys. Make sure you get those sides.
Whoa.
Yeah, look, it's starting to fluff up. I'm so excited. Oh All right. This is how you know your whipped cream is ready. We have some small peaks here. Let's go ahead and slow this down. All right, chef always needs a taste. It's perfect. All right, look how cute our little hearts are. Okay, we're gonna transfer them super quick to a cutting board. Woo! They are warm, fresh out of the oven. They're so puffy and cute.
They're so puffy.
Go ahead and grab a serrated knife and we're gonna cut these right in half, just like this.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah, oh look.
They just broke apart.
Comes apart on its own, I love that.
Perfectly cooked too.
Yeah, puff pastry cooks so quick. Look, oh, so easy.
Oh, that's so
You know what, I think I can just,
oh,
there
wow.
we go.
That's great.
Yeah,
That's so
look how
cool.
easy my job is.
So cool.
I
Who needs a
love
knife?
puff pastry. You just come right apart. That's how you know you made it right. Beautiful.
So cool.
Okay, so we have that homemade whipped cream and we are just gonna go ahead and go ham inside our puff pastries. Super quick. Get a lot of that delicious whipped cream on there. So good. And if you have any extra, just load it on there because the more whipped cream, the better.
Or you can make multiple servings.
Yeah, true. Use both puff pastry sheets. All right, beautiful. Now, some sliced strawberries. I had to do a strawberry dessert one more time before they go out of season because they are my favorite fruit. And this is it. Look how easy these are coming together. We're almost done. After we get these strawberries in here, we have one more step to make them look super gorgeous. And then these are gonna be ready to eat. Ooh, I am way too excited, you guys. Just get nice, like 3 or 4 slices of strawberries on each little puff pastry heart. Aren't they so cute?
These are super cute. And I don't think strawberries ever really go out of season, baby.
I know, but summer is the best time to eat strawberries. I think everyone can agree to that.
That's true.
Okay, go ahead and finish this last one. And then we're almost done. Oh my goodness, look how cute those are. Okay, go ahead and close those babies up.
Oh,
Get
look,
that
it's
little
a perfect heart
topper on there. Oh my goodness, how fun are these? Okay, let's get them like facing the right way too so you guys can get the full effect. It's like a little French pastry. Okay. All right, we're gonna finish off with a nice little dust of powdered sugar. Just a light amount in there. And we're just gonna do a little brush
It's snowing sugar
on each one. Look how cute they are.
This is gonna be so good.
All right, you guys, and they are ready. Our beautiful little summer, end of the summer desserts are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. And then you just dig right in. You get that whipped cream, the fresh strawberries. Come on, I'm just gonna show you one more time. Peekaboo.
Wait, I wanna see.
How cute is that?
Oh, they look delicious.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a bite.
Ooh, the crunchiness.
Mmm, mmm.
Is it good?
That is so good. Mmm.